Hey guys, how's it going? How to disable SOS feature on iPhone. So if you're using iPhone 15 or whatever, you're gonna be able to see it in the settings right here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and scroll a little bit down. I'm using, of course, the iPhone XR. What you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the emergency SOS. Scroll a little bit down right here, and you're gonna be able to see an option called call after serious crash, right? And as you can see right here, it says call with hold and release. So unfortunately for now, you won't be able to see an option called call after serious crash, right? But what you're gonna do, you're gonna just toggle this one off, call with a hold and release, and you're gonna toggle the second one off, which is call with the 5 button presses. If you continuously hold the side button in either a volume button, a countdown begins, an alarm sounds, and after the countdown, if you release the buttons, iPhone will call emergency services. So basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just toggle off the three options right here, and basically that's the best second option for now. All right, but we will let you know, of course, in the future if there is a new update coming. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.